So how can you make sure that your product is going to work without spending the time and money making lots and lots and lots of prototypes? I'm here with Richard at the Comsol stand, who's going to tell us all about it. First of all, Richard, could you give us a brief overview of the company, if you would?
Yes, thank you. So we've been going now for about 30 years. We've grown up from kind of being an add-on, if you like, to MATLAB, and we're now a standalone product for doing that kind of tools and modelling that you just discussed. We have recently launched 5.4 last week, which is our newest and greatest model, which has a whole range of new features and add-on products in that.
Okay, wonderful. And this is a slightly new language to me, so could you go a bit further into depth about what it is that you do?
Yeah, so Comsol Physics, the idea behind this, we are an FEA solution. What we can do, we can bring in your CAD geometry, or you can draw your design within Comsol. You can add the physics that you want to solve, be that heat transfer, current flow, induced losses, mechanics, and so forth. You can then solve that problem to hopefully visualize the physical process that's going on in your system. So by then visualizing that physical environment, you can better understand and see what's happening inside your product. Once you then understand what's going on, hopefully you're in a better place and position to go, well, let's change where my fans are, let's change the position of my heat source or whatever. And you can then alter those parameters and see how that impacts and how that affects your simulation, hopefully give you a more better optimized design.
And you take the customer through that whole process, that whole journey?
Yeah, so customers often come to us, they start off by us giving a demonstration of what Comsol can be used for them in their certain area, and then we're there to help the customer through that process, be it in support or building models for them as they're working their way through.
So is this brand new this year at the Engineer Design Show, or have you been here before?
Comsol as a company, we've been here for at least the last 2 or 3 years in and around this kind of area. But this event is timed in perfectly with the launch of our newest version, 5.4. So we've been here a few years, and we keep going back because it's nice to meet people here and kind of share ideas and kind of engage with users and other companies, let's say.
So would you say that there's a chance to collaborate here?
Yeah, so we have some of our expert consultants here on different stands around the show. Design engineering are one of them, and yeah, so we chat with them. We can show off some of our new features and have that kind of more one-on-one kind of more kind of personal sort of touch with some of our consultants, and we'll no doubtly meet new companies that want to use Comsol who haven't heard of us for improving and altering their products.
Wonderful. So to those that are thinking of coming and visiting you and getting more information from you, what would you say to them?
Come down and see us. We're here at J30. We're here for the next 2 days. We have some demonstrations. We have some computers here, so we can show what Comsol can do and run you through the products and the physics that we can solve. So do come and see us. We are friendly and we enjoy learning how your products work and kind of working with you to improve them.
Well, I can second that. They are very friendly here at the Comsol stand, so make sure you give them a try. Come and check them out.